If you've ever been working on a spreadsheet for a long period of time and you decide halfway through that you need to switch your columns with your rows, do not go one by one typing it all again. There's a quick solution that I'm going to teach you today. So here, I've got a bunch of daily things that I do every day. I put a number with them along with the time. And you can see that the data is set up so that the numbers go down each row and the titles go along the columns. But if I needed my data set up like this, where the title of each set of data goes along the rows and maybe the number goes across all the columns, today I'm going to show you that easy trick to do this quickly. So this is going to be a super easy tutorial and super quick. All you need to do is go to a blank cell, probably next to your data, and type equals transpose with an open parentheses. From here, Excel only needs one thing, and that's the array. So all you need to do is highlight the data that you want transposed. So in this example, I'm just going to highlight from A1, which is my number, all the way down to C7. Once I have that all highlighted, I can let go of the cursor and put a parentheses on the end of the function and then click enter. And you can see that right next to the data, it's gone ahead and it's transposed it for me and it's flipped it. Now it's important to note that if I click into this data right now, you'll notice that up top, it's not saying like 5 p.m. when I'm in cell I3 here. It's referencing the transpose function. If you want this to turn into your actual data again and not just the function reflecting the original data, all you need to do is highlight this area, click copy or Control C, right click, and then use this paste special option and paste just the values out. And now you can see when I click back into that same cell, I3 I think it was before, it's now saying 5 p.m. up top here because it's now the real data, for lack of a better word. Now if you do this function and you get this hashtag spill error, that's fairly common, but it's really easy to fix. What this means is that the transpose function is trying to transpose your data out into that same area that we just saw, but as it's spilling the data out, it's running into a cell that has some sort of data in it. So in this example here, it's a little bit tricky to see, but I put a period inside of H1. So if I just go into H1, click delete, now the transpose function can shoot that data out and have it within the spreadsheet in the area that it needs. And that's pretty much all there is to know about the transpose function in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more Excel tricks like this one. Thanks again.